Small, sturdy, packs a punch. Engineered for transportability, the drone is both lightweight and durable. The drone is Qanba's answer to the player's calls for a cost-effective joystick that performs high-end, making it an excellent choice for both first-time buyers and traveling veterans. Official Sony licensed product. Precise, accurate Qanba buttons and joystick. Compatible with PlayStation 4, PlayStation 3 and PC. X input and direct input drivers. Anti-slip bottom pad. 7.5 feet USB cable. Official Sony licensed product. Our partnership with Sony enables maximum compatibility with all fighting game titles on PlayStation systems. Access and navigate the PlayStation menu or share photos to the PSN without skipping a beat. Swapping between PS3, PS4 and PC as a cinch. Lock button included for no mishaps in the heat of your match. USB cable with compartment. We mean it when we say the drone is for on-the-go players. The USB cable can be stored effortlessly in the drone's frontal cord pocket. No need to hassle with detachable cords and compartments that don't fit. Top reviews from the United States. Great stick for beginning learners. Is it the best stick? Probably not. But it's more than reliable if you're a casual player. If you're a competitive one, it's also very easily moddable so that you can upgrade it to tournament level. I first got it around a year ago, and how has it held up? Very impressively. I play fairly rough with it, slapping the stick and buttons so loud I've gotten some complaints from my family. And yet, it's hardly shown its age. The only sign of wear and tear is that one button stays pushed for a second after my finger releases if I press it too lightly or slowly. I've never encountered this issue in a fighting game though, so it's beyond trivial.